apartment, pahakot pasakay.
Thank you.
Lipat apartment, pakakot pasakay.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Lipat apartment, pahakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you, sir.
Lipat apartment, pahakot, pasakay.
Yun, thank you, sir.
Lipat apartment, pahakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you.
Lipat apartment,
Pahakot, pasakay.
pasakay.
Thank you.
Lipat apartment, pahakot pasakay.
Yun, yung...
Apartment, pahakot, pasakay.
Yun, thank you po, thank you po.
Lipat bahay, pahakot pasakay.
Thank you, ma.
Pahakot pasakay.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, ate.
Sa mga lipat bahay, pahakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you.
Sa mga lipat apartment dyan, pahakot pasakay.
Thank you, ma.
Sa mga maglilipat, bye. PM nyo lang si Kuya.
Pahakot, pasakay. Thank you, thank you.
Lipat apartment, pahakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you po.
Pahakot pasakay lang po.
Ayun, thank you, sir.
Pahakot pasakay.
Yan.
Digit. Pag gusto nyo magpahakot, message nyo lang sa kuya.
Yun, thank you, ma'am.
Hello, good morning po. Pakakot pasakay na po kayo kay sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Sa mga gusto magpahakot at pasakay, DM lang kayo sa page nila kuya.
Okay, thank you, ate.
Thank you, Master B-Jam. Pahakot pasakay na kayo.
Pahakot, pasakay.
Yun, thank you.
Pahakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you, sir.
Pakakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Salamat.